How long to build a habit? You know what's heartbreaking? Watching someone quit on day 28. They tried, they really did. They woke up early, they journaled, they moved their body for almost a month straight. And then, guess what happens? Life, right? They missed a day, then two, and they told themselves the story we've all told. I guess I'm just not disciplined enough. But here's what they didn't know. They quit right before the magic actually happens. There's this fascinating study by researcher Philippa Lally at the University College of London. She wanted to know, how long does it actually take to build a habit? Not the 21 days that we've all heard, right? The real number they found is 66 days. 66 days for a behavior to become automatic, automaticity, if you will, to become so wired into your brain that you do it without thinking, without negotiating, without that internal battle every single morning. Think about that. Most people are giving up at day 28, day 35, maybe day 40 if they're really committed. They're quitting halfway through the installation process. It's like canceling your internet installation when the technician is standing in your living room with the router in their hand. Think about this. And Robin Sharma talks about this all the time, the difference between commitment and interested. Interested people do something when it's convenient. Committed people do it no matter what for 66 days. Because here's the thing, folks, day 20 is supposed to be hard. Day 35 is supposed to feel like a grind. That's not evidence that you're failing. That's evidence that your brain is literally rewiring itself. And then day 67 hits, you wake up, and the habit just happens. There's no willpower involved, no motivational speech required. You just do it, like brushing your teeth. That's called automaticity. So if you're on day 30 of something right now and still feels hard, like a grind, good. You're right on schedule. Don't stop installing the system before it's fully wired. Day 67 is waiting for you, and that's when everything starts to change. Folks, stick with it. Remember, if you're committed, you'll do whatever it takes. And if you know someone needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you like what I do, please follow me. Make it a great day. Be awesome. Help somebody. We'll talk to you later.